Lucky, your guitar Goomba, back again. Now I know those of you who follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, which by the way is at Guitar Goomba, all one word, everywhere social media. So if you follow me, then for today's video, today being Tuesday, you were expecting to see the neck finish video. Well, unfortunately, the South Louisiana heat conspired to make that not happen. I had a lot of files corrupted and lost audio on a bunch of the video. So the upside is that gives the stain time to cure so that I can go and throw on the lacquer. So between now and Thursday, which is when the next video will come out, I'll go ahead and get that lacquer video done, and then you get the whole neck minus the setup and fretboard on Thursday. So why am I here today then? Well, I wanted to announce some stuff. Like I just said, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Guitar Goomba. Go, follow, get behind the scenesy type stuff. Also, today I wanted to announce 2 new giveaways. And these are what I'm giving away. Surprises. So, what these are wireless instrument transmitters. Plug one end into your amplifier, one end into your instrument, play away. They both have online very, very similar specifications. So I'm going to do an unboxing, review, and test on each of these. And then when I hit 1,000 subscribers, just 1,000, I'm going to give both of these away. Now, unlike the giveaway guitar, how you'll win these is simply by impressing me. This isn't going to be a matter of every comment gets you an entry or anything like that. This is simply going to be, I'm going to choose who I think are my 2, not necessarily best fans or biggest fans, but the 2 fans that stand out the most to me. And on this giveaway, my friends and family are excluded. They cannot win this. So, if you want to know how to impress me, bring me subscribers. I need subscribers. I need comments on the videos. I need those likes. I need those follows. The more I get, the more I can go to, sponsors and say, hey, look at what I have. I have this great guitar community. And they get behind me and they stand behind me, and we are like a family. Won't you sponsor my content so that I can make more awesome stuff for my viewers? So the reason for that is I'm not a rich dude. Like I imagine most of you, I am not a wealthy man. I am not a wealthy woman either. So I cannot afford to buy guitar kits and guitar parts and equipment and gear and all that and give it away without getting something back in. Either the content has to be sponsored, or I have to get monetization from YouTube, Amazon affiliate link, things like that. So in this video, I'm going to cover how you can support me without costing you any extra money. Because, let's face it, money's not the easiest thing to come by these days. So, option number 1, get me to 1,000 subscribers so that I can get monetized on YouTube. And I can do my live streams for when I give stuff away. I think that would be more exciting for you guys. Also, go to my social media outlets. Guitar Goomba on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Like, follow. The more social media presence Guitar Goomba has, the more attractive it is to sponsors. Like right now, none of this content is sponsored. This is all me trying to make this happen, trying to make it work, because I think this is something cool for you guys, and I enjoy building guitars. And I enjoy getting new gear and new kit and stuff like that and checking all this wild stuff out. I want to try it out for you and then give it to you. Now, of course, if I come across a really tasty bit of kit that I don't already have, I might just keep it. Working on some stuff right now. I already have the next giveaway build en route. No spoilers, but it's been requested. Next, like I say, at 1,000 subscribers, 2 of you are getting one each of these. Well, one of you will get each of these. Okay, let me try to make that exactly clear. I will pick 2 winners to get, each of them will get one of these devices, and I will just choose at random who gets what. Like I will decide, okay, this subscriber or this follower on my social media gets this. This other subscriber on my this other subscriber to the channel or follower on my social media gets this one. That's how that will work. Just do your best to impress me. And if I'm impressed, you get free gear. Next, I have secured the domain name guitargoomba.com. The site is not up yet, it's not active, I haven't built it yet. Over the next couple of weeks, I want to build the site, get it rolling, and I will put a forum in there as well. So the page will be where you can see past builds, current builds, gear, the behind the scenes of my personal stuff. Like on the wall above me back here where you can't see is a lot of my guitars. And I've got some pretty cool stuff. No, I'm not giving it away. You're not going to get my Paul Reed Smith 20th Anniversary Artist Edition. You're not going to get my Gibson Custom Shop Les Paul. Sorry, those are for me. Next, I will be offering t-shirts and stickers for sale. If you want one right now, you can send me a message on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or you can send me an email at guitargoomba@gmail.com. Tell me the size, tell me the color, because right now these shirts are custom made to order. I made this shirt myself here in my house. The black shirt that you see me wearing, I made that here in my house. And anybody who orders a shirt right now, it will be made by me, by hand, right here in my house. So they will be $25 a piece because I don't have commercial accounts where I can buy bulk wholesale shirts and stuff like that. If you place an order, I go to the store, I buy the shirt in the color you want. Right now, let's keep it simple. You see the color I'm wearing, black, white, heather gray, and a green color. We'll go with those for now, or even red. We'll do red too if you want that. Now your Guitar Goomba logo, you can even choose the color you want. And you get that. Sizes, if I can get the shirt, I can give you that size. Triple X, Quad X, those will be $30 because those shirts cost more to buy, unfortunately. So that's what you can do to help Guitar Goomba help you. So for now, that's it. I wanted to get this video done in one shot. As you can see, this is the YouTube channel on the screen behind me. These are 3 of the videos. Poof, they went away. 3 of the videos that you can watch right now. There are currently 4 as of today, Tuesday, September 11th, 2018. This one will be 5, and then Thursday the 13th, the 5th video will come out, and that will be the next video. So, spoilers. Till next time, this is your Guitar Goomba Lucky saying, keep rocking.